Dappa Drama introduces a brand new series of augmented reality flashcards to assist the K-12 market. Dappa Drama Augmented Reality Flashcards is designed to engage children by introducing into various subjects. Inside the box, we have 32 cards including one activation card and instruction card. Dappa Drama AR flashcards provide 5 different languages, fun facts, pronunciation, and interactivity. A mobile application, full of fun in learning and interacting with the 3D animated characters and objects. Exciting animation pops up and comes to life when you scan the images from the flashcard. How do you use the app? In just simple 4 steps. Step 1. Buy the Dappa Drama AR flashcards from your school, nearby bookstore or online. Step 2. Download Dappa Drama AR apps from Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Step 3. Key in the activation code from inside your flashcard. Step 4. Scan the flashcards to experience the 3D objects comes to life. You can learn in a different and exciting way, definitely a better way. For more details or support, you may email at info@dappadrama.com.